The days blend into weeks as the chicks grow stronger. The parents tirelessly bring food, offering it with tender care. Each feeding is a step forward, a promise of strength and survival. The soft chirps of the hungry chicks fill the air, their tiny beaks wide open in eager anticipation. The parent doves, with practiced precision, regurgitate seeds and gently transfer them to their young. The texture of the food is softened, ensuring it is easy for the chicks to consume. This tender moment of nourishment is a quiet symphony of nature's design, a delicate balance of sustenance and love.